The next time you order off a menu or visit a buffet, think about this. There's a good chance your food was prepared, cooked, or served with Vollrath smallwares and food service equipment. In addition to their traditional gas and electric equipment options, Vollrath's expanding line of induction products are heating up the food industry with more precise and energy-efficient cooking that's safer and faster. Today we're in Sheboygan, Wisconsin to find out what makes Vollrath so hot.
For almost 145 years, the Vollrath company has been manufacturing high-quality smallwares and food service equipment right here in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Today we continue to be family-owned and we continue to grow through new product acquisitions and innovations of our own. So with 9 manufacturing facilities across North America, Europe, and Asia, we continue to supply a wide variety of products to many international food service markets.
Their Mirage series is durable by design and able to withstand the daily use and abuse of a professional kitchen, ensuring their equipment is built to last.
Our industrial design team gets involved at the very beginning stages of new product development all the way through the team process to the end. It's a very integrated process. A good example of this is our Mirage Induction Buffet Warmer, which is a terrific collaboration of industrial design and engineering. So what we ended up with is a very sophisticated looking product, but it's very robust, very efficient using induction heat. So really we've improved on the customer serving experience. And what's really nice about this product is that you can connect 3 of them together and just have one cord going to the wall.
Simple, smart, safe. The team at Vollrath works diligently to evolve induction technology inside and out.
As far as R&D, we work closely with our customers to understand the rigors of their kitchens, because a commercial kitchen can be very difficult on equipment. We then work on advanced development here as well, and we marry the two to design something that works the best for them with aesthetics, reliability, and fine control in mind the whole way through. Our expansive product selection makes us a one-stop shop for our customers in induction.
The products themselves started in this flat state. They were primary cooking, and people loved them for the efficiency of the units and the control. If I can dial something in here and get an exact power setting each and every time, and we can control it by time as well, we have very repeatable results that anyone can achieve. So I think one of the biggest innovations, though, has come when we have taken the coil now and brought it up the sides of the unit. So this now provides very even heating around the soup pot. Typically, when you see on the inside of the pot, if you ever go to a soup bar and you see all that soup around the top edge, that's just waste. Operators really love how even this heats. We have a chain that has reported to us over a 30% increase in their food yields. I mean, that's real money, and people just love the waterless design.
Here at Vollrath, they built an entire training facility for food service professionals to provide a more hands-on experience.
As our business evolved, we recognized the need to have an industry-leading training facility. We wanted a space that customers could actually come in and touch and feel the products. We try to be like the Ivy League of the food service university industry, if there is such a thing. In the university, we have 3 areas. Our first area is our classroom area, and this is where really the details come out. We train on the features and benefits of the products. Then we have our showroom area, and this is now a space that the customers or guests can go into and touch the product and really feel what we talked about in the training. And then again, the test area, coming in here and using that product, that's such a critical step for a lot of our customers. It really brings everything together.
These best-in-class products definitely take the cake.
Making a product look engaging and safe and intuitive, but at the same time robust and commercial can be a challenge, but we like that challenge, and we're really pretty good at it.
Vollrath's induction technology line continues to outperform every day, proving that the only fire a chef really needs is inside. Bon appetit.